In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to organize your travel plans efficiently and effectively. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing tasks, and when it comes to planning a trip, it can be your best friend. Whether you're off on a quick weekend getaway or planning a long-awaited dream vacation, organizing every aspect of the trip can get overwhelming. Trello helps you break it down into manageable steps, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. First, to get started, open Trello on your preferred web browser or through the Trello app on your device. You'll want to navigate to the home page where you'll be able to see all the boards that you currently have. If you haven't created any yet, don't worry, you'll be starting fresh. Now find and click on the Create Board option. This is where the fun begins. Next, you'll be prompted to input a board title. Think of this like naming your project. So, for example, if you're planning a trip to Japan in 2025, you might title it Japan Trip 2025. Choosing a specific and descriptive board name will help keep your Trello workspace organized, especially if you have multiple trips or projects to manage. Once you've chosen your title, you'll need to set the board's visibility. This determines who can see your board. For personal travel plans, you may want to keep it private. That way, only you and those you invite can view or edit it. Simply select Private from the options available. Now, you're ready to go ahead and click Create. This will generate your new board and open it for you to start adding content. With your board now ready, focus on adding cards. Cards are the basic units in Trello where you can jot down tasks, ideas, or other notes. Think of each card as an individual task or section of your trip. Click on Add Card and begin adding items to your to-do list. Start by thinking about all the elements that go into your trip: booking flights, reserving hotels, setting up an itinerary. You might have sections on your board for pre-departure, packing lists, or activities. Under each section, insert individual tasks like buy travel insurance or check passport validity. Once you've created these lists and cards, take some time to explore Trello's various features. For example, you can set due dates for each task, attach files or links for easy access to travel documents, and add labels to categorize different types of tasks or priorities. So there you have it. A straightforward setup to using Trello for organizing your travel plans. With this newfound organization, you can focus on enjoying your travel experience, knowing that all the details are taken care of. Happy travels, and I hope you find Trello as helpful as I have in keeping everything on track.